Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a video about the Tangzu Chang in-ear monitors that are priced, well, they were priced at $15. That's how much I paid for them from buying them from Tangzu.com. But right now, let me check. I think they're going for around 20 bucks on Amazon right now. $20, Amazon. Anyway, these are an affordable option for audiophiles who don't want to spend a whole lot of money. They come equipped with a 6mm micro dynamic driver inside of an aluminum alloy bullet style shells. So if you watch my videos, these are similar to the Moondrop Quarks DSP. I think Tangzu has some bullet style IEMs like these. Now, before I get into the review, I'm gonna hit you with these tech specs. Now I'm gonna move on to the fit and comfort. The Chang are very comfortable to wear for a long time. I've actually slept in these for about a week. They come with a variety of ear tips. As a matter of fact, they have two different sets. They have a small, medium, and large narrow bore, and they have small, medium, and large wide bore. Now, I got them turned inside out inside of the box. The clear ones right here that I got in my hand, these are the ones that are narrow, and these are going to make the sound more balanced. Now, the colored ones here are the wider bore, and they're going to make the sound more bassy. So I did not use spin fit on these at all. I mean, considering that Tangzu provided you with multiple silicone ear tips, might as well go ahead and use them. What I have on them right now is the large wide bore. You got the yellow bore here, or the yellow nozzle, I should say. And they fit pretty good. And you're going to need to try out the different silicone tips because of the shape and the ergonomics of these, and because they don't have an ear hook and the cable is non-detachable. You're going to need something a little bigger than what you usually are used to. And I actually like them. So Side Sleeper approved. I'm going to give the fit and comfort a 5 out of 5. Now, when it comes to the sound quality of the Chang, it's relatively balanced with a slight emphasis on the bass, or I would say they could be V-shaped, especially when you're amplifying them. Their bass is more sub-bass focused. It's more punchy. It's not like boomy bass. And the mids, they're clear, and the treble is crispy. Now, the problem would be the sound stage because it lacks depth. It is wide, but it's not as deep. But you can't really complain on a set this cheap. The Chang does a good job at keeping everything in the mix sound clean across the frequency response. I would say EQing these, especially if you listen to rock and EDM, although I wasn't expecting much for the price. I will say that these are not easy to drive. So if you do buy these and you get like an amplifier like my EFI Hip DAC 2 right here, they sound much better. It greatly improves the dynamics and especially the bass. So I will give the sound quality on the Chang a 3 out of 5. So the Chang they are a budget-friendly option that offers a decent sound signature. The pros, it does have a slight V-shape. I did say in the sound before that they were balanced, but that was because I was using the clear tips out of the box. They have a comfortable fit, and couple that with the small form factor, and they look really nice. I mean, these are some beautiful looking IEMs. Very beautiful. And they have good isolation, and they have really good tips. Now, some of the cons is the Chang they lack detail, which you won't be able to hear all the nuances in the music, but for a set this inexpensive, it kind of comes with the territory. And also, like I said before, they are hard to drive, so you'll need an amp to get the best sound. So overall, the Chang they are a good option for audiophiles on a budget who are looking for some beaters. However, if you're looking for better sound, you might consider spending a little more money. So this has been my review of the Tangzu Princess Chang in-ear monitors. If you like this video and you've gotten something out of it, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next.